Cargate, one slow out as Hurry Up. It's now Honor Rose in the early part, followed by King Amadeo, showing speed now the outside. Best Kept Secret, then followed by Tabaco. Alongside Isala Benyan, Queen Kaimaki, then followed by Money Bank, out in the act, Sing Melody. Bing Bigotillo is next on line, Imperial Storia. Entry number 10, and that's Hurry Up. Into the back they travel, King Amadeo takes the lead now by Santria. Here comes Best Kept Secret now in second. Honor Rose dropping in third. Down in fourth, another 2 lengths is entry number 8, Tabaco. Here comes Kaimaki. Money Bank also moving up. Inside the last 600, King Amadeo holding on with a length leader. Best Kept Secret running in second, Tabaco. Kaimaki now from the outside together with Money Bank. Inside the last 400, King Amadeo still in front, followed by Best Kept Secret. Money Bank, Kaimaki, Tabaco is nicking by the wheel. Towards the final corner, it is still King Amadeo.